So it's May 1st and here's the garden update for the dirt box. We've got our potatoes. They are still growing. They haven't started to brown yet. Got some chives down in here. These are grocery store potatoes. I thought I would just try. Some of them started to flower, so I've just been pinching off the flowers. These potatoes over here are from Seed Starts. So I'm curious to see how the grocery store do versus the ones from the feed store. My garlic is starting to yellow. And I've never done garlic before, so I think this is the beginning of flowering or bolting where it puts out the little onion seed pods. So they may be done. We pulled one the other day and it did not have a bulb, so I don't think they're ready. But you can see these little guys here. When that happens, you're supposed to cut these off and you can cook with them, I've been told. I have not done it yet, but all these little pod looking, I don't know what you'd call them, buds. So I'm gonna wait till this weekend and then I'll probably cut those. I did get some peppers in. Those are my Shinjuku. Well, no, wait a minute. I can't think of the name of the pepper. I'm drawing a blank. It's a Japanese pepper. I've got my San Marzanos in. Shishito, that's it. Shishito pepper. And then I did plant peppers amongst the potatoes, which is probably gonna be a mistake because when we have to dig up potatoes, hopefully we can not disturb the roots to the peppers. They're still small enough, so I think we'll be okay, but I don't even know how they're getting light. Like, they seem to be healthy, but they're completely covered by the potatoes. So, note to self, don't do the potatoes in the raised bed, do them in the ground somewhere next time or in buckets. All my San Marzanos are in. They're taking off. Here's some more. And then these are I've got a tomatillo here. These are some different varieties. And we did put this panel up, this time a straight panel, just because we decided to do more tomatoes and peppers than okra. We just couldn't keep up with the okra. So I got in here and tied everything up this weekend, and I need to go back now and prune. And we had some basil. I just did one squash plant over here because they're such heavy producers. Marcy is eating fertilizer. Madam, move along. Move along. Go on. These are my wicking tubs. So I have a fig that wintered in the greenhouse and it was sticks and now it's got all this growth on it. This is my Myers lemon, and just look at all these lemons. I did fertilize because the leaves are kind of yellowing, but look at how beautiful these are. And there's just so many of them. They're just all over this plant. And it started to flower again. So I think we're gonna get even more, but they're just on every branch. And then my lime has just started to put off these little flowers. So we'll see. I don't see any limes forming yet. And again, we fertilized because these little leaves look sad. Very yellow. This is my kumquat, and I've never grown a kumquat. I know it's got a flower to put off fruit, and I have not seen any flowers as of yet. I'm assuming they're gonna come out from the center of these, but like this is new leaves. So I don't know. Well, we'll see what it's big though. You can see from here to here, it's pretty tall. It's taller than me. And then this is my Myers lemon that we just put in a wicking tub this weekend. So we'll see how well it grows. It's never really gotten much bigger than that, and I've had it for 3 years. So I think the wicking tub is going to be a growth boost for it. And then this is just a little blueberry shrub I picked up at HEB, and it's really just my garden snack. I come in here and pluck the purple ones, but I was told that these do best in containers, so I went ahead and put it in a wicking tub. And then I've planted my cucumbers. Let's see, where are they? Yeah, they're coming up here. This little, I don't know what happened here, but oh, well, that's encouraging. Maybe the potatoes are getting ready to start drying, because that one is drying up. And these are all my cucumbers. And then, I don't even know, let's see, over in here, which poor guys aren't getting any light. These are my lemon cucumbers. They're cucumbers shaped like lemons, if they even will make it past the potatoes. There they are. These potatoes are just covering everything. I gotta figure out something, maybe to tie them back. I don't know. And then these cucumbers have made it past the garlic. Here's one of those. This is an onion, and I've got a bunch of onions that have bolted or flowered, so they're not going to grow anymore, and I'm going to collect those seeds for next year's starts so I can grow my own starts. And I want to show you the onions. These potatoes are just nuts. See, I've got some more peppers, but these are the onions that have bolted, and you just cut these off, put them in a paper bag, and shake out the seeds. So I could go ahead and do some of these, but here are the onions bulbing. They're fantastic. And then I've got some red onions here. So some are doing better than others. Like the ones that have bolted, they have not put off any bulbs. So something about this part of the garden, because I'm noticing it's just this corner, I got my onions to bolt, where over here, other than this one guy, they seem to be pretty happy. So we'll see how everything goes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye-bye.